When it comes to luggage, the most important thing is a high-quality, reliable design. But to many travelers, aesthetics are a close second. Just like an outfit, it's nice when your baggage looks cohesive and intentional. Plus, a matching set is useful when traveling with your family or partner and anytime you need to bring more than one bag. So, what are the best luggage sets? That depends on your needs, preferences, and taste. To help you narrow it down, we tested more than 600 pieces of luggage in our lab using our specially made airplane set as well as during our real-life travels. We packed up the suitcases, spun them around, rolled them over various surfaces, hoisted them into overhead bins, pushed them off tables, and whacked them with metal baseball bats to see how spacious, durable, and maneuverable they are. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite Hardside Set. A majority of the Travelpro luggage models we tested earned overwhelmingly positive feedback, but the Platinum Elite Hardside collection is one of our favorites. This two-piece set includes a matching carry-on and checked bag, each with spacious, expandable capacities. You can also add matching bags like the underseat duffel or rolling garment bag for a more complete set that fits every travel occasion. We could fit every last item on our list with room to spare, and the expanders add another 2 inches to the depth. The various pockets, zipper panels, and cross straps help with packing too. While we noticed a couple of superficial marks after whacking and shoving the suitcases, they didn't dent or scratch. The carry-on rolled a little better on 2 wheels than 4, but otherwise, the Platinum Elite line is very easy to maneuver. Another thing to note is that buying the suitcases as a set isn't actually more affordable than purchasing them separately. Still, we think the price is fair and appreciate the 100-day return policy and lifetime warranty. Number 2. Kenneth Cole Reaction Out-of-Bounds Hardside Suitcase Set. If you tend to overpack, lightweight luggage can help balance out your load. The Kenneth Cole Out-of-Bounds 2-piece set comes with a 5.7-pound carry-on and a 9.6-pound checked suitcase. While they look small, the 2-compartment interiors are surprisingly spacious. After packing the checked suitcase with enough stuff to get through a week-long trip, the spinner wheels still turned sharply and moved smoothly on hard floors and carpet, though this is the only option on this list that has singular spinner wheels rather than dual spinner wheels, which means they may not make sharp turns or be as sturdy as some other options. The sleek yet rugged hardside exterior survived drops and bat hits during testing, sustaining only minor scuffs. We also love that the bags come in 11 different colors, including classic options like black and navy to brighter picks like magenta and teal to help them stand out at baggage claim. Number 3. Delsey Paris Helium Aero Hardside Luggage Set. If capacity is your top priority, you'll love the 3-piece Helium Aero luggage set from Delsey Paris. Made from polycarbonate, the suitcases survived our durability tests with a few barely noticeable surface scratches. We love the metallic jewel tones on offer and feel that they are both chic and easy to pick out at the luggage carousel. Including a carry-on, a small checked bag, and a large checked bag, the set opens clamshell style to reveal 2 deep halves with plenty of space to spare. We could fit everything on our list with room left over, even before using the expansion feature. We did wish there were a few more pockets. Interior organization consists of just 2 pockets, a zippered divider, and compression straps, but a set of packing cubes would provide an easy solution for those who prefer more structure. The carry-on has a separate front pocket with a padded laptop compartment. We found the suitcases easy to push or pull on hard floors and carpet, and easy enough to pull on gravel. All suitcases have a TSA lock. Number 4. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Set. The Freeform Hardside set from the tried-and-tested suitcase brand Samsonite includes a 21-inch carry-on spinner and a large 28-inch spinner. Both feature polypropylene, a durable hard plastic that stood up well to our testing process with barely any scuffs. It's also incredibly lightweight, with the carry-on weighing just 6.5 pounds and the checked bag tipping the scales at 9.6 pounds. We loved the minimal, streamlined look of this luggage set, and the bag's deceptively large packing capacity. We could fit everything on our packing list without employing the handy expansion feature. Both suitcases feature a divider and enough pockets for efficient organization. We appreciated the cross ribbon, which helps keep everything in place, but we would have liked a waterproof section for dirty laundry. Number 5. Samsonite Winfield 2 Hardside Luggage Set. If you frequently take extended trips and need a dependable choice of checked bags, the 3-piece Samsonite Winfield 2 fashion set includes both a 24-inch and a 28-inch suitcase and a handy carry-on. All three feature lightweight polycarbonate, which flexes under stress and then pops back into place, a phenomenon we saw for ourselves during our testing process. We liked that the brushstroke coloration effectively hid any scuffs or scratches, keeping your suitcases looking smart for longer. Each one is split into 2 halves by the zippered divider, which includes integrated pockets for maximum organization. We appreciated the bag's ample space, the compression feature for keeping everything in place, and how they can expand to accommodate the results of a vacation shopping spree.